today I am going to talk about how to get rid of body hair / facial hair permanently at home. And let me tell you, this bad girl, like this bad boy, is amazing. Because it doesn't only remove body hair, it also helps with acne and other skin conditions. As a transgender woman, I have had my own battle with body hair / facial hair and the dysphoria that comes with. This is amazing. This is something that I myself wish was a thing when I transitioned. I transitioned maybe like 8-9 years ago. So this just like, I've been using it once a week on my face, and it's a lot smoother on my face. And I just do that to relieve a little bit of that gender dysphoria because I have dark hair. Now I'm finally going to show you how it works. You click this right here and you hear when it turns on, obviously, and then you press it once more until you get that level that you are happy with. And then this right here, so you hold it like this. Please don't look directly into it because it really is really bright. And then you just like, it's really not painful at all. That's how you use it. And please don't look directly into the light. It works. It works wonders. I've been using it for maybe like 2 months or something like that. And let me tell you, you girl smooth. Okay, you girl smooth. I mean, I'm not like completely hairless, but I am smooth.